5 interesting facts about Internet. Fact number 1. The first message sent over the Internet was LO on October 29, 1969. The intended message was login, but the system crashed after the first 2 letters were sent. Fact number 2. The Internet is estimated to have over 4.9 billion users worldwide, which is over 60% of the world's population. Fact number 3. The World Wide Web, which is often used interchangeably with the term Internet, was invented in 1989 by British computer scientist Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Fact number 4. The first website, which provided information about the World Wide Web, was launched in August 1991. It had a simple layout with plain text and hyperlinks. Fact number 5. The Internet is estimated to contain over 1.5 billion websites as of 2021, with new websites being created every day. The most visited website is Google, followed by YouTube and Facebook.